Hi, my name is Steve Sweat. As a personal injury attorney representing car accident victims for the past 20 plus years, there are some common mistakes that I think that people make that tend to affect their claims later. The first is not obtaining enough information at the accident scene. You absolutely need to know the name, address, phone number, insurance information, registration information, plate number for all vehicles involved in the incident. A very simple way to do that, which I describe on my website, victimslawyer.com, is to just pull out your smartphone and take pictures of the license registration, take a picture of the license plate, take a picture of the vehicles, positioning where they were, property damage, both vehicles, or if there are more than two vehicles involved, all vehicles. And that will help you a lot later on when you need to file claims. The second thing would be not seeking prompt medical attention. The one thing I see is that people tend to be shaken up at the scene, and they, sometimes don't want to take an ambulance to the hospital, which is understandable. But you do need to seek prompt medical attention if you have any sort of physical pains or illnesses that arise after the incident, because for two reasons. One, for your health, which is the most important reason. You want to get to the bottom of these things as soon as possible. The second thing is that insurance companies tend to make a big deal about delays in treatment, and will use that to devalue your claim later. Which leads me to my next point, which is not seeking follow-up medical treatment. The next mistake people make. I see this quite often where a client will go to an ER, urgent care, and they will be X-rayed. They'll be told nothing's broken, be given some pain medication, and sent on their way. They continue to have stiffness, pain over the next several days or weeks, but they don't seek prompt, follow-up treatment with their own medical doctor or with a specialist such as an orthopedist or a physical therapist, and don't seek, therapy later that could help them, aid them in, obtaining a much quicker recovery, and two, it would also, add value to their personal injury claim if they file it later. Lastly, is just not consulting with an attorney soon enough. Insurance companies are in the business to basically try to either deny your claim or get your claim, devalued as much as possible. They do that by delay tactics, by, sometimes unfortunately giving you inaccurate information about your legal rights, obtaining recorded statements from you over the phone that help them, not you, and these types of things. All those things can be avoided if you consult with an attorney early. You get them retained, you have them as a buffer between you and the insurance representatives, and just to make sure everything stays on the up and up. So I hope that's helpful for you. And if you have any questions or needs for a car accident attorney in Los Angeles or anywhere in California, please feel free to give me a call and or visit our website, victimslawyer.com. Thanks.